Hi everyone! In this video we will solve equations with fraction coefficients. Our fractions on the outside of both of these parentheses have the same denominator, so a faster way to get rid of that rather than distributing those fractions in is find the LCD and multiply it to both sides first. This will speed us up just a little bit. The LCD here is 3 because they are the same denominator, and we'll multiply it to both sides. And typically we've done big parentheses to show that we're multiplying it to both sides. And while we can still do this, it will just end up being multiplied to the fraction on the outside, which will leave the numerator to distribute through the rest of the problem. So we're going to simplify first. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And we no longer have fractions. This means I have 1 times 1, which is 1, and 1 times 5x plus 1 is just 5x plus 1. It simplifies it so much faster. On the right side, we have 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 1 times 2 is 2. So we will need to distribute on the right-hand side just a little bit. So we'll distribute the 2 into the two terms inside the parentheses, and we get 4x plus 14. Multiplying by the lowest common denominator sure sped up our process. Now we need to combine all the variables on one side. I'm going to choose to subtract 4x, so all the variables are on the left side. 5x minus 4x is 1x, which is just x, plus 1 equals 14. Now we need to subtract 1 to isolate the variable, and we get x equals 13. Our solution is x equals 13, and we can always go back and check to make sure that we did find the correct solution by substituting the solution back into the original equation where the variables are, and if we get a true statement, that means that we found the correct solution. If we end up with a statement that is not true, then we need to go back and try again. Either way, we're all done.